This one-owner home offers it all. Starting on the main floor, the foyer opens up to the great room, boasting a vaulted ceiling and a cozy gas log fireplace. There's a formal dining room where you can enjoy hosting dinner parties. And the kitchen features custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, tile backsplash, an island, and a pantry. Grab a quick bite to eat from the breakfast nook before starting your day. Also conveniently located on the main floor are the laundry room and half bath. The master bedroom suite is located on the first floor and offers a walk-in closet and an ensuite with a separate shower and jetted tub. The open staircase leads you to 3 additional bedrooms plus a full bath. The full daylight basement features another family room with a gas log fireplace as well as another full bath. Storage won't be a problem with the 2 large storage rooms at your disposal, an open deck with pergola, and a fenced-in yard. There's an irrigation system in place as well. The home also features fresh paint and new carpet, making it move-in ready down to every detail. Don't miss out on this wonderful property. Call Linda Carper to see your dream home today.